Hello everyone, my name is Vass and I am Mr. Musette. If you are new to my channel, I am a freelancer illustrator from Romania, and in my free time I experiment and create art and illustration related videos here on YouTube. If you enjoy my content, feel free to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video, and also check out my other videos on my channel too. In the last month I had a lot of commissions, especially creating some book illustrations, and I really didn't had enough time to paint something for myself. Even the last 3 videos from my channel were already recorded a few months ago, and they were waiting for the right time to be edited and uploaded on my channel. As I ran out of the pre-recorded videos, I really needed to create something new for this week's video. So I remember that a few months ago I drew this illustration in my finished sketchbook, and now would be the time to paint this illustration. Also, I decided that I will include in this video the drawing of the line art as well. So I transferred the initial sketch to a watercolor paper using a blue lead mechanical pencil, and then I got to the step where I created the line art using the Staedtler pigment liners, which are my to-go liners when it comes to watercolors or water-based paints. The paper which I used is this Musette watercolor paper, which was very cheap. I bought it last year for Black Friday, as I remember, and as I said, it was really cheap, around 4 or 5 euros I think. This pad is an A3 size and has 10 sheets of paper. Also, it's a hot pressed and has 300 GSM. Even if the paper was very cheap, holds quite well the watercolors. The only thing which I didn't like was that when I drew with the fine liners and I used the Indian ink, the paper was behaving quite strangely. I had the impression that the paper sucked in the ink. But with the watercolors I didn't have this problem. And overall I am quite pleased with this paper comparing with the price point. For the coloring I decided to use my Kuretake Gansai Tambi paints because I knew that I want this illustration to have a lot of blue and green shades. And the Kuretake Gansai Tambi paint set has a lot of green and blue shades, which I really like. And also I need to use this set more often because I have the tendency to use only the Paul Rubens watercolor sets which I own, but in the meantime I should use all my paint sets if I bought them already. It was very refreshing to paint again after around a month because since the beginning of the January I was only drawing and creating digital art. If you would like to see what I am creating beside my YouTube projects, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the links are in the description of the video. And there I post behind the scenes and work in progress photos as well. When I drew this illustration in my sketchbook, it wasn't my favorite, so I think this is why I didn't finish it sooner. But after I finished painting the artwork, I think it's one of my favorites from my original artworks. As a side note, all my original artworks are for sale in my Etsy shop, which is also linked in the description of the video if it's something that you would be interested in. I don't have to add anything else about the process. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section and I will try to answer them. Hope you enjoyed this illustration. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. And also do not forget, life is a song, illustrate it.